but there is also a reason that we want to encourage all reviews from all of our clients about our products and services. I worked with a client a very long time ago before my endless customers, they ask you answer days, and they would take off bad reviews from their Google My Business page.
Like they would just delete
and
them?
They would just delete them.
Yikes.
They would take them off,
Yikes.
right? Because their fear is that people would see some of the bad reviews and they wouldn't want to work with them. Well, one, Alex, we are all smart consumers, right? So is there any product or service where you haven't ever seen one bad review ever in all of the lifetime of that product or service?
I don't think so. And if I ever did see that, I would automatically, like, I would have my red flag up. That's like, why is this 100%? Like, something's got to be off here because nothing's ever perfect. So like that instantly would put a bad taste in my mouth, or something would be suspect. Yeah. Yep.
As my kids would say, that's sus, right? There's something about it that just doesn't sit well or doesn't sit right, where there's 100% perfection. No product is that way. So the better route to go is to encourage all reviews, the good, the bad, and the ugly. We need to hear it. We need to see it. And we as a brand and as companies need to understand it so that we can make better products and better services at the end of the day. I encourage all of my clients to welcome any negative and bad reviews. And I like when they're public. Because if we as a company truly do want to evolve and become the best that we can be and be the trusted voice in our space, we can take those reviews, turn it around, bring it to our service delivery teams, bring it to our operations teams, and make better products and services. We can use that feedback to create better experiences for our customers and our clients. And then we turn around, and that public-facing negative review, we then get to go back and say, thank you, Alex. We really appreciate this feedback. Now, of course, we're sad that you didn't have the best experience with us, but here's exactly what I want to tell you that we did based on the feedback that you gave us. That's not only going to change, hopefully, your experience if you ever try us again, but hundreds of customers in the future are going to be bettered because of your feedback. And I would love for you to try our product or service again and give me the same feedback, so that I can see if what we put into place actually fixed the problem that you were experiencing.
That's powerful. That's really powerful. In fact, for me, if I read a review like that, that would win my business immediately, because I feel like in life is the same in business. It's not, you don't get judged on the things you do well. You get judged on the things that you do poorly and how you handle those situations.